2 out of 2, a win against a former winner.
Yeah, I think it was an interesting game, and I'm happy I managed to win.
Was it an easy win or?
No, the position was very complicated. Lots of unclear things happening. So I can't really say at any moment I thought that I'm better, because it was very sharp. But only at that moment when he captured on c5 and took on e6, then I already had the feeling that I have a clear advantage. Because maybe I'm still optimistic, overly optimistic, but from practical way of looking, you look at it, white has a clear plan while black is just suffering with his pieces.